and then arm. So let's go ahead and do this. All right, Eric. Right out the gate, I'm gonna go for the big super loop. You see that? It's all about pulling that stick. Look, throttle, stick pull. You see that? And the longer you hold that stick back, right? Let's do a real long one. You see that? All about that stick, on how far you pull that stick. Look back. And then flip over. Let's do that again. Look back. And back over. Now you're going to want to do that fast, you know. If you're low on the ground, you're going to want to do it quick. Watch it like this. See, you got enough time, and then you can do like a Rubik's out of it. And it's like hard for me to talk what stick I'm doing, what command, so that's why I like the stick cam. And I just go with it. If you guys see, like, this might help you guys that's trying to pick up the sticks. I actually had a bug on my ear and I took my hand off the sticks there for a second. But let's get back at it. Look back.
2 minutes.
Just push the stick forward. Get the quad to do a half a roll. Or half a flip. And back down off of it. I use my throttle to clean up. See, and then get right back in it and just... And kind of give yourself a little bit of air. You know me, I like to stay down low, so. Alright, let's do this pow. See? So down low, you're going to want to do it faster. Power loop. And just let her come down. You see that? Throttle is key on this. So, look back. See?
1 minute.
Power loop. I run hyper smooth thumb, so you already know this, so ha. Sorry. Look back. And you'll judge it as you come over. You see, sometimes I come back over and I'm not right with it.
30 seconds.
You'll definitely be able to judge that. And let's power.
20.
Already been charged since Friday, so. See that? That's the Maddie. That wasn't over something. So let's do it over the tree here. You see that? That's the Maddie right there. So you can get the stick cam on how I just did that. I don't know what that was, but yaw spin. Everybody loves my yaw spin. That's all it is. I fly with both sticks at all time, if you noticed. I feel that pack soft. And that's all the look back is. The power loop. kickback. And you can turn that into multiple things. Like I said, you see I don't fly real fast. I don't push my stick forward a lot. I just kind of go with what the quad wants to do. And I know my flights look real fast, but